Hey guys, on today, I'm not exactly feeling my best, but I thought I was bored, so I felt like doing a little video. This is the grill, and it's not held on at the top, it's held on by 3 screws, 2 of them are not right. I thought we'd take care of this, because I've had this car for so long, and this is one thing that I've never taken care of. This is the screw that's wrong. And this one's rusted. I don't know, maybe you can see it. Here's the GTS oil cooler. Okay. Now, these are new. I got all new hardware. Yeah, so it does go this way, okay. There we go. So we got new hardware that clips right on. Like that. The top one is held on by these really weird looking clips. They look like they go this way. I don't think this car ever had these clips at the top. Here we go. I have 3 new screws for the bottom. Oh, there we go. That's a big difference from what I started with. This is one thing I'm going to take care of, is that this cooling panel, I'm not a fan of it. I'm going to switch it out to something that doesn't rattle. But yeah, just decided to make this one less thing to worry about. This is A for Hachi signing off.